Everyone, welcome to Criminal Judicial Process. My name's Amanda Foss. I'm your instructor. I wanted to start by giving you a little bit of a walk around through the Canvas course. I know a lot of you are very new to Canvas, but it's very user-friendly, so just hang in there. This is where you're going to open to your home page. It's going to have your list of to-dos here on the side. I really recommend going through the modules. So what you are going to do is you are going, and I'll link it on this page as well, but you're going to go into the modules, which is going to take you to the Start Here menu. That's where obviously you want to start. And you can go through my welcome page. It gives you all the information on how to reach me. There I am. My personal email, so that if you're not able to get a hold of me through Canvas or the school email, you're able to get in contact with me. Then you're going to come through the required materials. Here's the book that you are obligated to purchase. It is Criminal Court Structure, Process, and Issues, the 4th edition. I also have your course syllabus here. And if you click right here, that'll open it up in Canvas, so you don't actually have to download it onto your computer. And it goes through all of the classroom etiquette and guidelines, what to expect. You can go through support services, and then down here is the course question forum. If through the semester you have a particular question you want to ask your fellow peers in the class, feel free to write it on here. If you have a question about your grades, please email me directly. I'm not going to be checking this course question as frequently as my emails. And once you complete the Start Here, you can head over to week 1. Week 1, as all weeks, is going to give you the overview with our objectives and then our to-do list. These red links will link you to those assignments. So you're going to first have an introduction and the discussions. It's not open until the 24th, but once it's open, you will hit reply with your answer, and then you will comment on 2 additional students' work. You will have PowerPoints, which again will be attached. I do my lecture as well as including the PowerPoint if that's easier for you to follow along. Feel free to print them out as well. You are also going to have a Chapter 1 assignment, which is a nice little video on Dr. Kevorkian and some discussion questions. You're also going to have a Chapter 1 quiz, which is multiple choice and true false, as well as a Chapter 1 essay quiz, which has questions that you will fill in. Lastly, you're going to have a group discussion regarding some readings in the book that you will be assigned groups, and you will complete it that way. Please email me if you have any questions. Each week will be lined up the same way, and I look forward to getting to know all of you virtually.